Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Honda Civic Sport, front wheel drive. Car's running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. You do have the fog lights up front, painted alloy wheels. A trunk with a spare tire under there. Okay, go ahead and take a look at the interior. It says leather and fabric. It's kind of a race checker pattern to that fabric there. There's your VIN right there. I'll also add still photos of these as well. Okay, looking down here, you'll see that it has 4,356 miles on this vehicle. Okay, we know the fan works well. See, it does have paddle shifters and trip computer toggles right here, push to talk, cruise control, also stereo controls. There's your push button start. Come over here. You can see your sources for audio are AM, FM. You've got USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. So we'll go ahead and jump home. See that you do have a lot of settings through your phone. And then there's Honda Link also. And you can alter your instrument panel there. Okay, and as we come down here, you've got your comfort controls, got your key fob, and your shifter. Continuing to come down, you've got your econ right there, your park brake, and your cup holders, and then you have additional stowage back in here. Come up, you got your glove compartment right there. And up above you have your map reading lights. And that about wraps it up for this Honda on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here up front and center. The airbag's not deployed. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.